Okay, first of all, let me clear something. When I uploaded first video of web development series, then some of you guys was wondering that if I have stopped the SvelteKit series. Then no, it's never gonna happen. We will continue making videos on Svelte till the end of this stupid world. So in this video, I wanted to show quickly how you can pull data in both statically and dynamically with fetch with a new way of doing things in SvelteKit, which is this plus page syntax for each directory route. So this confused me a little bit, but I wanted to share what I learned in case it may help some other people. So our root is this plus page.svelte and a plus page.js. So let's start by returning some data. So what I'm going to do is return this data. So this return is the data. Then you can think of all of the properties in this object as props. So let's start with just my age, which is 25, and let's put a new line in here. So let's say, what's going on guys, welcome to the RDH code. And also I am, let's put in just static content 25 years old. Go back to our browser. So here we go. Now let's this data in from the page. So first of all, we'll create our script tag. So export let and then data. Now we want to do is replace 25 with data, which is this object that we are returning. And then let's just say age. Now let's go back to the browser and there we go. So let's just quickly check it out. Let's say I'm 27. Now check this and it's working as expected. Well, that's fantastic. Now what if we want to fetch something? Let's fetch some data. So let's destructure fetch as well. And then let's do a fetch request. Let's say const response is equal to await fetch. This is an async function here. So we're going to grab some dummy data. So I'm going to use this right here, which is going to give us 10 users. So let's copy the link address, put that in here, and now let's do a const. Let's just call this user is equal to await response JSON. If you don't know async await syntax, then there's a really great articles on Mozilla's MDN and W3 schools. Others I can kind of break that down for you, but it's a nice syntax for asynchronous code. So now we have users, so let's drop that into this object. Now so let's say users, and then it has the value of users, and then that should be available to us now in this data object. So let's pull the name, email and website of our users. So let's create an H3 in here. Let's say users, and then let's create an unordered list, and then let's do in each users as users. This will be data users, and then let's create our list element, and then let's say user got name, and then this is like really vanilla HTML, but it's okay, we are not trying to do anything fancy. And then let's do the email, and then let's do the website. Just keep it simple. There we go. So it's good to end. The last line should be empty if possible. Now let's see what our page looks like back there. So we have, this kind of dummy data, but we can make it even a little bit more clear here by saying let's wrap it in a strong. So let's say name, and then I'll just copy and paste it so that we can see it here. And again, this is email, then this is website. There we go. Well, that's not much easy to read. There's no formatting here, but the important thing is that we have successfully and simply kind of separated out from that all script module syntax the data calls, which I really like. At first it was a little confusing, but now I think you'll get a sense of how it's nice to structure out your data calls and the same kind of module or components as your route, which is in the same directory. So your data logic can live with your templating. Well, I really hope this helped some of you guys. And hey, if you want to access the Svelte playlist, then click on the playlist on your left. And if you want the full course of Svelte, then click on the right video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.